paper number 32, Ssc Mts. Reasoning section, question numbers 21 onwards. Now 21st one, yes, your answer? Yes, tell me what is the answer to this one. Night watchman is the word that is used in cricket. And in the same way, juice is the word that is used in tennis. Isn't it? Juice stands for tennis. Now in a game, when two players got 40 and 40 points, then it is called as a juice. Then next coming to question number 22. Ma 22nd chesara? No, 9 into 17. 17 into 9 anta cheppandi? 17 into 9 is 153. Now 153 and 306 ela vastundi 153 into 2. That is 9 into 17 and into 2. 2 into 9 into 17. 12 into 16. 12 into 16 anta vastundi? 192. Now into 2 is so much? 384. And in the same way, 7 into 14, 98. 98 into 2, 196. That is choice to question number 22. Then 23rd one. Now in this question number 23, if you observe here, numbers are increasing and decreasing. Whenever the numbers are increasing and decreasing, then you need to go for alternate numbers. Now 61 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 69 plus 4, 73. 73, that is choice 3, 23. Then 24. 7 students are seated around a circular table facing the center. Now 7 persons were facing towards the center like this. And n is thought to the right of O. Where is this n? N is thought to the right of O honor. N is thought to the right of O. If O is here, n is thought to the right of O, n is here. And S is thought to the right of M. S is thought to the right of M. Q is to the immediate right of N. Q is to the immediate right of N. And P is to the immediate left of O. P is to the immediate left of O. P is here. Now if P is here, then S is thought to the right of M. Annam. S is thought to the right of M. Tell me where should this M be? Can we have M at this place? M ikkada undocha leda? M ikkada unte 1, 2, S will be here. That is one such a possibility. Next one, can we have M at this place or not? Ikkada undocha leda? Ikkada unte S will be at this place. MRS, MRS. Then R is sitting between O and M. Now this R is in between O and M, hence M cannot be here. M is here, then R is here. If R is here, S will be here. Then who is sitting between P and Q? In between P and Q is that person? Yes, choice for question number 24. Then coming to this 25, now this is based on Venn diagram. Majeshara, representing the elements in a Venn diagram, brass and bronze and alloy. Now, sir. Now this brass and bronze. This is a brass and this is a bronze. And these two are what? These two are different alloys. Choice 1, question number 25. And 26, God is 46. Now God is 46. What is the value of G? 7. O is 15 and D is 4. 7 plus 15. 22 plus 4, 26. Isn't it? 26. Then 26 and 46 is given. How much is added to this one? 20 is added. Why 20 is added to this one? Then let us take make. Now 13 plus 1, 14. And 14 plus 11, 25 plus 5, 30. And 30 plus here, how much is added here? 30 plus 22 is added. Then 26 plus 20 is added. Then what is the logic behind this one? Why 20 is added in the first case and in this make 22 is added? Any logic behind this one? No. Now 26. 26 into 46 you got. And make we have got 30. Now from this make we have got 30. Then what happened? Answer no? No. Then in the same way, now God. G value anta cheppandi? In the opposite, if you take opposite pairs. 20 and O is so much? 12 and D is so much? 23. 20 plus 12 is how much? 32. And 32 plus 23. Now 32 plus 23. Now the answer is how much? 56. Are you getting any answer here? No. Then what is the other logic we have? Now 26 plus how much is being added here? 20. But 20 enduku add chestunna cheppandi ikkada? Now in this 20 and 7 and 15. And in this word bite, make is 52, and in this 52 we have got MAKE and 30 వచ్చింది. 13 plus 1, 14 plus 11, 25, and 25 plus how much? And 25 plus 2 and 30. Then what is the code for this word? Byte. Now BYTE byte, then my value చూడండి, B value ఎంత 2 and Y value 25 and T is 20 and E is so much and E is 4 and E is 5. Now in this one 25 plus 25, 52 వస్తుంది. Now 52 is the value we have. Now in this 52, then now 7 plus 15, 22, 22 plus 4, that is 26, and 26, and we have got 22. Then, ఒకసారి చూడండి, 26 is the sum. Now in this one, how many letters are there? There are some 3 letters. Now 26 minus 3 is so much. 26 minus 3 is 23. Now 23 into 2 is 46. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? And in the same way, now here make. What is the value of this make? 30. And the sum is 30. And 30 minus how many letters were there? 4. 30 minus 4, 26. Now 26 into 2, 52. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? Now sum of the place values minus number of letters, twice of that one. And in the same way, byte. Now the code given to the word byte. And 2 plus 25 plus 20 plus 5. Now 20, 15. Now 52 minus how many letters are there? 4. 52 minus 4, 48. Now 48 into 2, 96, that is choice 3. Amma saripinda? Choice 3. Now sum of the place values minus number of letters is multiplied with 2. Then 27. Now in this question number 27, in a row of students, Kunal is 11th from the right. Now Kunal is 11th from the right, means there are 10 students to the right hand side of Kunal. Rafi is 14th from the left hand side, there are 13 persons to the left hand side of Rafi. And Hanis is exact in between Kunal and Rafi. And if there are 16 students in the row, now total number of persons 16. If you take like this 14 plus 11, 25, minimum 25 persons were there. That means this Rafi cannot be to the left hand side of Kunal, Rafi must be to the right hand side of Kunal. Now Kunal is here and Rafi is here. Then Hanis is exact in the middle of Kunal. There are 13 students in the row. What is Hanis' position from the left hand side? Yes, tell me any answer to this one. Hanis is exact in the middle of this one. If Hanis is exact in the middle of this one, Kunal is 11th from the right hand side. Kunal, and this is R, 11th from the right hand side. Now if you take Hanis is here, Kunal is 11th from the right hand side, 2 persons, there are 8 more, 8, 9, 10, 11. And again, and whatever this one, R. And Rafi is 14th from the left hand side, 1, 2, 3, and it's 11. 11 plus 8, and 14th from the left hand side. Who is this person here? And Kunal is 11th from the right hand side, and Rafi is 14th from the left hand side, and 12, 13, 14. Then, and if there are 16 students in the row, Mila తీసుకుంటే ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పండి? Then also the number of persons is more than this one, isn't it? Then what is the order we have? And Kunal is 11th from the right, and Rafi is 14th from the left hand side. Then that maximum number of people we need to adjust in between these two. And if you are adjusting this one, Kunal is 11th from the right, Kunal is here, and Rafi is here. Then among these, which is the lowest here? 11th is the lowest. 11th lowest ఉంది కాబట్టి ఏం చేద్దాం చెప్పండి? Now here we need to have an odd number. Odd number ఉండాలి. Odd number ఎందుకు? Because exact in between is possible only in the case of an odd number. Then if you take 9 members here, then 9 అంటే ఏమొస్తుంది చెప్పండి? This is 4 and 4, 9. And 9 persons were there, and 9, and Kunal is 11th from the right hand side. 1 plus 1, 2, plus 4, 6, 7, plus 4, 11. అవునే కదా? No, what is the position of Kunal? Kunal is 11th from the right hand. 11th from the right hand, then now 1 plus 4, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 1, 11. Saripenda? And in the same way, now this Rafi is 16th and Rafi is what? Rafi is 14th from the left hand side. Left hand side we need to have only 14 persons. Now 14 persons undali ante. Then Rafi is 14, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 3. Saripinda? 3 plus 1, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 4, 13 plus 1, 14. Then now total number of persons, how many are there? 1600. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 4, 13 plus 1, 14 persons were there. There are only 14 persons, but whereas we need to have 16 persons. Must 16 persons ante em ravali. And those two persons must be in between these two. Avuna kada? And in between these two, then what is Hani's position from the left hand side? Then that means these two persons must be, then Kunal is here and Rafi is here. Now Kunal is 11th from the right hand side and 11th from the right hand side, and Rafi is 14th from the left hand side. And Hanish is exact in between Kunal and Rafi, and there are 16 students in the row. And 16 students in the row, then 16, what is Hani's position from the left hand side? Now tell me how many persons must be there in between these two. Now 3 persons. If you take 3, earlier we had taken 4. And 4 lo manaki em avutundi 2 persons were less. Hence we need to add one more person here. Now 3 plus 3 emayipoyadi cheppandi? 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Then Kunal is 11th from the right hand side. And 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 2, 11. Saripinda? 3 plus 3, 6, 7 plus 3, 10 plus 1, 11. And this Rafi is 14th from the left hand side. Now 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 5, 14. Then count the total number of persons here. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1, 10. 13 plus 1, 14 plus 2, 16. Altogether we have some 16 persons. Then what is the position of H? Hanish. Now 5 plus 1, 6 plus 3 plus 1, that is 10, choice 1. Then next one, 28. Now in this 28, now friendship is coded as RNIFE. RNIFE, the code given to the word friendship. FRIEN, FRIEND, SHIP. The code given to the word friendship is RNIFE, 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 and SPHID, SPHID. And in the same way, now puzzlingly. Then how is the word puzzlingly coded? Now total how many elements were there? 10 elements. Now these 10 when divided. Now F and FREN. Now here RN, second and the fourth letters followed by I, F and E. Now in this one all the letters are arranged in which order? Alphabetical order. Now R and IF, the first 5 letters in the alphabetical order, descending order, and these 5 are also in the descending order. And in the same way the word puzzlingly. PUZZLINGLY. Now in this one how many letters are there? 10. Now these 10 letters when arranged in the descending order, ZZU and PL. Now in this one also Y and N, L, I, G. And choice please GILNY, GILNNY, LPZ. Choice 3 or choice 4? Choice 3. Because and P must be before this one. Must have been the choice 4. Now I get a youth at the end of Japanese. Now Y must be at this place. ZZ, UPL, and YNLIG, choice 4, 28. Yes? Japan Serpendra, the 28. Then question number 29. Now in this question number 29, we need to find out when it opens like this. First the paper is folded like this, and when it is open, then tell me how it will look as. Now first circle. Now circle now here it is the mirror image to this one. And once the mirror image we have found, then we need to have and next time and water image from bottom to top. Now this circle. Now this circle is again. Now circle the bottom there are 2 lines here. As there are 2 lines here, 2 lines and here we need to have 2 lines. Isn't it? And again from bottom to top here there is a circle and 2 lines and circle and 2 lines at this place. And then what is your answer here? And the center one. And what is the center here? This is the center. Our center manaki 4 రావాలి. 4 ఇస్తే మనకి ఏమైపోయింది చెప్పండి? Circle. Now this is the line we have, and this line will be like this, and again it will be double. Okay? And so what is the answer we got here? Choice 3. 29. Then coming to question number 30. Now if the signs plus and division are interchanged, then which of the following equations would be correct? Then plus and division are interchanged. Now if interchange these two plus and division, now this is plus and this is division. Then what is your answer here? 14 plus 4 and divided by 14 plus 4 divided by 10. 4 divided 2 by 5. 2 by 5 and fraction. Fraction వచ్చే chance ఉందా లేదు? And next one plus and division. This is plus and this is division. Now 11 divided by 11, that is find 1. Now 11 plus 11, 22 minus 1. 22 minus 1 is 21. Here it is 11, that is again false. Then this is plus and this is division. 14 divided by 7, how much is that? 2. 21 plus 13, and those are 34. 34 minus 2, that is 32. Choice 3, 30. Then 31, 16, 28 and 32. Am I just now 16, 28 and 32? Now what is the value of this one? 16 plus 28 is how much? 44 minus 12. Sum of these two minus 12. Sum of these two minus 12 is 32. Now here again if you check out, 48 plus 76, what is the sum we have? 48 plus 76, 124. Minus 12 is 112, that is choice 1. Sum of these two minus 12, 31. Then coming to question number 32. Now in this 32, what is the measure of the angle formed? Now at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock means, now minute hand is at 12, hour hand is at 10. And so many hour divisions? 2 hour divisions. 1 hour 30 degrees, 2 hours 60 degrees. Then or else, theta equals to 11 by 2 m minus 30h under modulus. Then 11 by 2. And into m. M means how many? And exactly 10 o'clock. Isn't it? Exactly 10. Ma 30 into h. Ma exactly 10 and take a minutes. And minutes is 60. And 30 into how much is h? H is how much? H is 10. Ma now 330. And here 30 into how much? 30 into 10, 300. Now 330 and 300. Are you getting the answer here? Here మనకి exactly at 10 o'clock వస్తుంది, isn't it? And 10 o'clock means then, and this call. And what is h? 11 by 2, okay, into next one, and 60, and 10 o'clock ante how much into plus 60? 9 o'clock plus 60. అవునా కదా? 9 o'clock అంటే ఎంత తీసుకోవాలి చెప్పండి? 11 by 2 m minus into 30 into h. Now 30 into h, 30 into 9. Now 2 ones, 2 30s. And 30 into 11, 330. Minus 270. And what is the angle? 60 degrees is the angle. Then, ఇక్కడ మనకి m60 తీసుకుంటున్నాం. 10 o'clockకి 60 minutes అయింది. మరి 60 minutes అంటే అవర్ హ్యాండ్ ఎక్కడ ఉండాలి? 9. 9 hours plus 60 minutes is 10 o'clock. Then next one, question number 33. Now in this 33, 212 and 118. I ఎలా చేశారు? 212 and 118. And what is the difference between these two? Any answer to this one? Now 212 and 118, the difference is how much? 96. ఇంకెక్కడైనా మనకు వస్తుందా 96? 94? No. Then next one. Now what is the sum of these two? 112 plus 118, 230. అంతే కదా? Now 230 or 330? Now 330. 12 plus 18 and the 12 plus 18 is 30 kada? Now the sum of these two is 313. And in the same way here, now, and sum of two numbers must be 330. Across in Japan, 156 plus 174, and that is 330. Sum of these two numbers equals to 330. Sarpendra, 15 plus 7, 22, plus 1, 23. And 330, choice 4. Then question number 34. Tell me how many triangles are there in this? How many triangles are 18. 18 identify chesara? Fine. Now first, individually in this one, in the above figure if you observe here, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 unnai. 5 5 unnai, kindana kuda 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 that are individual. Then combination of this. Combination, if you take this combination, this is 1. Now this is the other 2. అయిపోయిందా లేదా 2. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇంకేమన్నా చెప్పండి. నౌ దట్ ఈస్ 2, 10 + 2 12. దెన్ మా ఈ ట్రయాంగిల్ చూడండి, దిస్ ఈస్ వన్ మోర్ వీ హ్యావ్, అవునా కదా. అండ్ అగైన్ వీ హ్యావ్ దిస్ ఈస్ వన్ మోర్, అవునా కదా, ఇంకో 2 యాడ్ అయ్యాయి. అండ్ అగైన్ ఇన్ ద రివర్స్ ఈ 2 మళ్ళీ దిస్ వన్ అండ్ దిస్ వన్, అవునా కదా. అండ్ దిస్ వన్ అండ్ దిస్ వన్ ప్లస్ 4, క్లియర్, 16. And 16 plus the bigger one, this is 17 and this is the 18. Done with this? All together how many are there? 18 were there. Amma follow here leda? First 10 varaku clear. Then idi తీసుకున్నాం, combination of this one 11, ఇదేమో 12, దీని వరకు అయిపోయింది. Then 12 తర్వాత ఇది చూడండి, this is 1, అవునా కదా, ఇది ఒకటి 2 అయ్యింది. 12 + 2 14, ఇది 15, ఇది 16. Then the bigger one, this is 17 and this is 18. And so altogether there are some 18, choice 1 34. And Geetu walks 9 kilometers towards east. Starting point A, from here she walks 9 kilometers towards east and then 17 kilometers backward. First from A to B, again from B to C, and 17, 9 + 8 is 17. Then she turns left and walks 3 kilometers. From here 3 kilometers. Then walks 5 kilometers after turning left. Left hand side, what is the distance of 5 kilometers? Then she turns left again and walks 3 kilometers, 3 kilometers. Now she has reached to this place. Then how far is she from the starting point? Out of these 8 kilometers, now 5 are already covered. Now we have left with only 3 more. And 3 kilometers, that is given in choice 2, question number 35. And 36, now we need to find out the order, meaningful order. Meaningful order first time was in Japanese cell. And cell is the smallest. Then from cell it is, and then cells and group of cells forms a tissue, and next one organ, and this organ, next organ system, and finally human body will be composed of all this. And so choice 1, question number 36. Then 37, now we need to find out the mirror image to this. Ante kada? And mirror image, and tell me what is your answer here in this mirror image. Now this P, ma P ela undali cheppandi, P ikkada manaki. Now P will be like this and R will be like this. Avuna kada? P and R, mirror image. Now this S will be like this and E will be like this. And V as it is. Then tell me what is the choice we have here? Now choice 2. 37 it is choice 2. Then 38, a drum contains how many liters of milk? 60 liters of milk. 1/5 of the milk is taken out. Ma 60 lo 1/5 తీసేశారు. ఇంకెంత ఉంది? Now 12 were removed and 48 is the leftover. And replaced with what? Replaced with water. And replaced with water and ఇప్పుడు ఎంత water అయిపోయింది? Now 12 is replaced with water, isn't it? That means this is what? This is milk which is taken out, and next one replaced with water. Water 12 is added to this. Then half of the mixture is taken out and replaced with water. మా దీంట్లో నుంచి నెక్స్ట్ మళ్ళీ ఏమైపోయింది చెప్పండి? Now half of the mixture is taken out. And half of the mixture out of 60 ante another 30 liters. Then what is the respective quantity of milk and water left in the drum? మా ఎంత ఉందో చెప్పండి డ్రమ్లో? ఫస్ట్ 12 తీసేసాం, ఇంకా మిల్క్ ఎంత ఉంది? 48 మిల్క్ ఉంది. నా ఇక్కడ 12 యాడ్ చేసాం. 12కి ఇక్కడ ఎంత వస్తుంది చెప్పండి? మీకు ఇక్కడ ఎంత వస్తుంది ఇంకా? And 12 and half of this is taken out. Then half of the mixture is taken out, and half of the mixture is taken out. And out of this 12 and 48 and 12, half అంటే ఎంత పోతుంది చెప్పండి? 24 పోతుంది మిల్క్. ఇందులో ఎంత పోతుంది? 6 పోతుంది, అవునా కదా. 6 పోతే ఇంకెంత మిగిలింది? 12 మిగిలింది. అండ్ హాఫ్ ఈజ్ మిక్చర్ అవుట్. దెన్ 48 - 24, ఇంకెంత మిగిలింది చెప్పండి? 24 ఈజ్ మిల్క్. అండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద వాటర్ వీ హ్యావ్? అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ replaced with water. Replaced with water means 12 + 6 18. Plus how much? Whatever you have taken, we have added. Hence, what is the remainder we have? 36 is the remainder. Saripenda? 24 is to 36, choice 3. Then 39th one. Now in this question number 39. Now it is based on sequence here. Now, how many elements are there in this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 8, 10, 12, 16 and 18. No Japan total altogether we have some 18. Now 18 can be written as 6 into 3. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now first B, B, A, B. Now C is the second letter. Now BC and BAB. BC, BA, BB. Now BC, BA, BB, BC, BE, BB, BC, BA, BB. Amma saripinda BC, BA, BB. BC, BA, BB. BC, BA, BB. Amma option leda. Now CBB, CBB is the choice. Now CBB, CBB, are you having this answer here? Led. Isn't it? Now if it is not there, my second element is definitely first element C రావాలి కదా మనకి. Now in this question number 40, and 12th February 2008 is Sunday. Then 25th March 2009 అన్నారు. Isn't it? Now first, dates were different and years were different. Now whenever the dates and years were different, ఏం చేయాలి చెప్పండి? 12th Feb 2000, now 12th Feb 2008 is Sunday. If 12th Feb 2008 is Sunday, then we need to find out 25th March 2009. Initially, let us find out 25th March in 2008 itself. But 2008 లోనే find out చేద్దాం. Now 12th February 2008 is a leap year. అవునే కదా? Now 12 days were already completed. How many days are there? మా మొత్తం ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి? 29. Out of these 29, 12 were already counted. Now we are left with 17. 17 divided by 7. February 3. March 25 means 3 plus 4, 7. 7 days means the same day. Hence 25th March 2008 is again a Sunday. Now if it is Sunday, now we need to know 2009. Now from 25th March 2008 to 2009, exactly one complete year. 1 year means 1 odd day. 1 odd day, 1 day to Sunday, that is Monday, choice 1, question number 40. Clear?